You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I really appreciate it. This is the last video in a mini series of 3 sets that I had for what they are calling the Quick Mix Baker. Learn the fun, safe way to bake. Now, you're actually not baking anything. This is the cake snack set, originally from Toys R Us, $3.99, 50% off, ages 3 and up. What we've learned now is that the picture you see here is nothing like what these turn out to be. They give you a little bowl in this one, a fork, this little tray, and a cutter, like a cookie cutter. I'm not sure why we're cutting the cake, but we will see how this one works out. Let me do this. This was a set I did last. It had a little elephant, a spatula, and the brownies, nothing like that. And then the previous set I did then was the cookie set, came with a spoon, and then this little cookie cutter came out nothing like the picture. So we know that, probably why there's not too many of these out there, and I'm still trying to find the larger sets on the back, especially this quick mix oven. So it was probably just turn the dial and it would click, 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 and then ding when it was done after it was set, because there is no heat. And this one says it makes 3 cakes. Refills are available for the set. Look for and collect all these Quick Mix Baker Play and Bake sets. And then Fun Stop Limited, Hong Kong. That is the company that made them. Let's do this. Let's get this out of the package and get started. Okay, so the little fork, and then the bowl, which does not work because it's way too small for the amount of mix they give you. Here's this little puppy cookie cutter, which is kind of cute, and then the little tray. That's all that's really in there. Let's check out the mix. Now, I don't think it's going to have frosting, and I don't think it's going to have a filling in the center, but let's just see. Okay, so it's just 1 pack. That's pretty deceiving, if you ask me. Let's see. Here's what the back says. These directions should match up. Empty entire contents of packet in the mixing bowl. Yes. Gradually add 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of water while stirring. When completely blended, choose mold. Spoon mix into mold. Wait until it solidifies. Push gently out of mold. Decorate. Well, I don't know what you're supposed to decorate with, but it looks like the same ingredients as the other one. So I'm guessing now they really tried to fool you on this. All right, so let me grab some water, a bigger bowl, and we will make this set. Okay, here we go. 2 tablespoons of water set. Now this, if you look at the bowl that comes with the set and this mix, it does not fit. And I showed you in the first video, you couldn't even mix it if it was in there. That's why I upgraded the bowl. Now this does say vanilla in the top left corner. I didn't notice it in the beginning. So vanilla cake is what we're making with no frosting. Okay, unique color. Okay, this one doesn't smell as good as the other ones that I have shown you, so it does not look like vanilla anymore. That's the unique thing about trying these older sets. You just never know. But it's just fun for me to test them out. Okay, and then it says, gradually add 1 ounce. This is a pretty neat little measuring thing because it gives you the ounces here, the milliliters. It also gives you the tablespoons and the teaspoons. So I know 2 tablespoons is about 6 teaspoons. All right, so here we go. We will slowly mix. Let's make a little reservoir in the middle. I'm still wondering why they want you to make a shape out of it. And then what do? You put the shape in there. Remember, it solidifies. And then what do? It's all going to solidify, right? You don't have much time. Ooh, look at the consistency of this cake. It looks like the other one. So what I'm guessing now is that it's all the same. There's really no difference. They're just conning you into thinking you're making something different, mainly by the color. This looks more like the chocolate chip cookie, which I'm going to show you. I saved the brownie and the chocolate chip cookie off to the side. They're on the same cutting board that I originally showed them to you. Yeah, my other little egg guy, the whisk, was just for show. I didn't think this would whisk too well, but it just looked cool next to the other one. How shallow of me. So I know it's been mentioned too. People say, well, you know, the old mixes, that's why they don't work. Yes, that is true. But I've had a lot of old mixes work well, so. Yeah, that jumped up on me. Okay, I think this can go in a shape now. Let me clean off my little tool here. So far, no one in the comments has said to me, ooh, I got those when they originally came out. And I've had that with a lot of stuff, but not these. So were there many that sold? Were they taken off the shelves once people realized that the picture was nothing like what you were actually making? Okay, so it looks like it's going to hold its shape. Let's get this little puppy in here. It says spoon in. I don't know. Maybe this way. I'm so confused by these little shapes. I'll start this way just to get some in there. And then I'll flip it over and fill the rest. There's my cake. My puppy cake. Okay, let's flip it over. Oh, it's all ready to come out. I wanted to clean this a little, so I will leave it like that. Okay, and I'll give it a minute or two. I'll probably give it like 5 minutes. I'll come back now and show you the other two that I've already done. Okay, quick change of plans. I was going through one of my bins. I've sprayed this once already. I'm going to spray it again. Little shapes, molds, pots, and pans, which, by the way, you can see on TikTok. I made a TikTok of this bin and where I got these pans from. So you got to go there if you want to see a little more behind the scenes. I thought they'd make a nice little shape, at least one of them for sure. So check that out. If you haven't been to my TikTok channel, I don't do a lot of videos there just so that people are not inundated with more stuff. But every once in a while, I'll pop in a video and thought, well, this is a good day to do it. All right. So that filled up my extra shapes really nice. That bin is loaded with pots and pans and all kinds of stuff that occasionally I'll use. Some of it, most of it has not been on video because it just doesn't fit what I do, but some of it has. All right, now I'm going to let that sit. Now I'm going to come back and show you the other two sets. All right, let's check out our luscious cake. I mean, very similar, very similar. There's an orangish color here, and it matches the tray. I think that's about all that's similar with this. So let's see. Let me get a nice camera change here so you can watch it push out. That's the exciting part, right? Here we go. It is now coming out of the shape. There we go. Ooh. Actually, it's a cute little puppy. And you could tell it's a puppy. Now, will these other ones plop out of these? Let's see. Let's put that one that way. Let's put that one that way. I'm going to probably have to somehow dig into that. Let me grab my little spatula. Let's see if I can help this along here. There we go. Ooh, we lost part of his foot. This is some kind of cat. Let's see. Can we get the cat out? There we go. So you can still see they're quite moist. Now, it's been about 20 minutes or so. They're not really setting up. I don't know what that means. Do you wait a week like I did sitting out on the countertop? But it looks like they do hold their shape. And now you can see how similar that is. All right. I guess I'll give it a little taste, a mini taste. This is the size of my taste, everybody. Well, here again, the taste is not as bad as the smell when you first smell the powder. So what do you think about this mini series of the Quick Mix Bakers? Let me know your thoughts. Would you have been happy buying it like this and ending up with this? Wouldn't you have at least said, something's a little fishy here? I don't know, at least I did after trying them now. So that's it. That is end of this mini series. If I find the other sets, I will definitely get to them. But as always, thanks for watching and supporting Lucky Penny Shop. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.